and I'm back today with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and if you like what you see, then subscribe. I'm gonna give you like a quick little life update. It's gonna be short and sweet. Someone stole my car last weekend, stopped painting furniture, and I started selling antiques. I had a video go viral on TikTok and I painted my wall black. Anyway, today guys, we're going to be doing a thrift haul. I'm going to be showing you some traditional vintage items that I picked up while thrifting at estate sales, all that good kind of stuff. So I'm going to start the video by showing you guys the item that actually sold from my TikTok video. And it's this collapsible wood basket slash trivet. Isn't it amazing? I saw this, guys, and I was just like, wow, holy crap, this is phenomenal. Okay, I just thought it was pretty. I am obsessed with flowers. I love ornate details. I've been really into the raw textures of wood lately. So when I saw this, I thought it was just something that hung on the wall. And then, guys, I lifted this handle and it turned into a freaking basket. Can y'all believe that? Like, holy crap, it turned into a freaking basket. So I paid $25 for this and I sold it for $120. But I just thought that that's one of the coolest things that I found while thrifting in a long time. It's one of those pieces that you kind of almost want to keep for yourself, but honestly I don't have anything to do with it. I thought that it was just really cool and awesome. That's all I can say. So guys, I just wanted to show you this because I thought this was so cool. So it can be used as like a trivet or like for a hot plate or something. But I love how you can just sit the fruit there. It looks pretty. And then when you lift the handle up, like what? Oh, it's the coolest shit ever. I found this oil painting for $8.75. I thought it was so pretty. And it actually looks super cute in my house. Like, look at my pillows. Like, doesn't it match perfectly? I really want to keep it. But I need to make money, so I've already listed it on Facebook Marketplace and on my website for $199. And honestly, I'm willing to wait for the perfect buyer to find it because I love it. It's so pretty. It has so many great details in it. The frame is nice and sturdy, and it's an oil painting. And who can really put a price on art? So I thought this was just so pretty. I sold something very similar in the same colors today at the antique mall. So those soft colors are perfect for like spring. And you know, as girly girls love pink. Next guys, I got this beautiful vintage Compote dish. This is epic. I have not listed this for sale yet because I was thinking about keeping it for us. And no, now that I'm doing antiques, guys, this is in vintage stuff, it's so hard to like let it go. At first I just didn't care. Now I'm like addicted to everything. But the nice part is I can love it for a little bit, and then when I'm ready to let it go, I can sell it. But this candy dish is epic. Like, imagine coming home over and this is sitting on my coffee table. Like, you're for sure gonna want to get a sucker out of it, you know? It has the most amazing scallop details with that red glass and this crystal base, and then the top is just crazy. Like, look at that. Oh, I'm pretty sure it's mid-century modern. I got it for $8.75, and when I decide to sell it, I'm probably gonna sell it for around 80 bucks. Next guys, I got two Carnival Glass pieces. This one I got from an antique mall, the Virginia Beach Antique Mall, and it's Carnival Glass. It's so pretty. Look how gorgeous and iridescent it is. I paid $22. I will be listing it for around $79. Look how pretty that is. Like, I am addicted to Carnival Glass, especially blue. I love that great pattern on it and that beautiful scalloped edge. And then it's pretty without the top too. So if you wanted to take the top off, like maybe at Christmas, and put ornaments inside of it, you could definitely do that. Or you could put candy in it, or you could just leave it covered with nothing in it. It's so pretty. And then I'll show you guys the top. And Carnival Glass is just like, it's amazing. and super popular right now. So that one, $79, paid $22. This is a Carnival Glass dish that I got from Goodwill, and this one is super pretty as well too. I love the pattern on the top of it. The pattern is phenomenal. It's in great condition with no chips or cracks. I paid $4.75 for this, and I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna be listing it at. So comment down below if you guys have a good price for me. So next, guys, we have this Chenwashery style clock. It's very heavy, runs on 1 AA battery, and it is signed Thomas Bentley Darlington. And then it has this little depiction of vintage Chinese. It looks like a family. So yeah, I'm not sure. It looks like a family, but it's really pretty and gorgeous. If you are a grand millennial, then you'll want some antiques and vintage decor that have like a worldly, exotic feel. So any type of Asian vintage looks good with the Chenwashery style. So I really like it. The only thing that was wrong with it is that it has these scratches on the side, and I have some wood markers, so I'll be able to fill that in and make it look nice and pretty. Runs on 1 AA battery, and I paid $6.75 for this, and I have it listed on my website and on Facebook Marketplace for $85. So if you wanted to purchase any of the items that you saw in today's video, be sure to check out my description box and also the comment section. I will link my website, antiquishhomedecor.com. Follow me on Instagram, antiquishhomedecor, and follow me on TikTok, antiquishhomedecor. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.